This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jerry Knoll. Welcome home to this amazing townhouse in the new gated community of Cricket Club featuring 3 beds, 2.5 baths. This home offers an open floor plan with plenty of space for entertaining, gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances, ceramic tile floors on the first floor. The upstairs master bedroom suite features a large walk-in closet. The laundry room is conveniently located on the second floor. There is a 1-car garage along with plenty of parking on the driveway. Just minutes away from most major highways, 2 exits from Fort Lauderdale International Airport, close to the famous swap shop, on SR7 and array of other retail stores and grocers. For more information, review the details below or contact Jerry Knoll at 954-491-3100.